Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sync WooCommerce and Shopify. This integration is incredibly useful if you're managing products across both platforms and want to streamline your inventory and order management without manually updating everything twice. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be installing the necessary plugin to make the sync happen. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options related to plugin management. From the expanded menu, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find all the tools and extensions available to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. Now you'll be on the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Shopify. From the search results, look for a plugin called S2W Import Shopify to WooCommerce. This is the tool that will handle the syncing process between your two platforms. Click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin, including its features and functions. Take a moment to understand what it offers and how it will help you manage your stores. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient during this step. Once the installation finishes, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Go ahead and click on Activate. After you activate the plugin, your page will refresh and you'll notice a new menu has been added to your left navigation panel. Click on Shopify to WooCommerce. This is where the actual syncing setup happens, and the process from here is pretty straightforward. You'll see several required fields that need to be filled in to establish the connection between your WooCommerce and Shopify stores. Start by entering your Shopify store address in the designated field. Next, you'll need to provide your client ID and secret. These credentials are essential for authenticating the connection between the two platforms. Scroll down and you'll see additional fields for the access token, API key, and API secret. These are all part of Shopify's API authentication system, which allows WooCommerce to securely access your Shopify data. Make sure you enter all of these details accurately. Once you've filled in all the required fields, scroll down to the bottom and click on Save. And that's it. You've successfully set up the sync between WooCommerce and Shopify. Your products, orders, and inventory can now be managed more efficiently across both platforms, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors from manual updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.